in the Supreme Court today, the Kerala state government told that there have been 51 women under the age of 50 who have entered Sabarimala temple for darshan. Right now with us, we have the counsel for state government of Kerala, Senior Advocate Vijay Hansaria. Sir, can you tell us what happened in the court today?
See, the two ladies who entered the Sabarimala temple on 2nd of January, after they entered, their family members and the entire state was after them, and they were apprehending danger to their life. In fact, they were assaulted also. In fact, one lady was assaulted by her mother-in-law. So they wanted police protection. I told the Supreme Court that the state government has already given them protection. They are under sufficient protection of the police. And we also informed the Supreme Court that apart from these two ladies, there are 51 other ladies who have registered online, who have visited Sabarimala temple up to Sanidhaman temple and has the darshan of his Lord Ayappa. This is online. Apart from them, there are many others who we may not know the details, but at least these 51 who have registered online, they have definitely gone, and we have the details of all those ladies.
Sir, that list that you gave in today was a bit of surprise that 51 women have entered.
The 51 women have officially entered through website registration. There may be other hundreds, according to us, maybe there. Because those who go generally now, initially there have been protests and then there have been stoppage, because these two ladies also, first they wanted to go on 24th or 25th of December, but they were stopped, they were not allowed. Second time they approached us, we gave them protection in mufti, not in police uniform. They went there, they had the darshan, and once they had the darshan, I think the other ladies also got courage to visit the temple, have paid their regard to Lord, and they have gone to the Lord, and this is Supreme Court judgment, which is binding on us according to us, and we are implementing the judgment. There are some organizations who are trying to deprive the women section from implementing the judgment, or deprive the women section from having the darshan of his Lord, which according to the state government is not wholly correct.
Sir, I wanted to ask this question regarding the petition that was filed for the security. Can somebody file this petition for security in lower courts like High Court of Kerala, or the petition can be only filed in Supreme Court?
No, petition can be filed in High Court. Lower courts, of course, they don't have that jurisdiction. It can be filed in the High Court, it can be filed in the Supreme Court directly. It is up to the petitioners where they want to go. In fact, in High Court also, a large number of petitions have been filed for and against. There are petitions filed in the Kerala High Court saying that police is putting restrictions, police is checking us, and we are agreed by that also, that police is trying its best to implement the Supreme Court judgment. So we should be allowed to implement the Supreme Court judgment.
Sir, last question, sir. What is the future of this case now? Is the petition over now, and then people who are actually creating problem in the implementation of the Supreme Court, you as the counsel for the state, what are your plans regarding the case?
See, now there is a law declared by the Supreme Court by 5 honorable judges of the Supreme Court. Of course, some people have filed review petitions. Review petitions, the Supreme Court is decided to hear on 22nd of this month. It may not be heard on this month because we are told that one of the honorable judges who were on the bench, who has to be on the bench, is not well. So either it will be listed on 22nd and thereafter, but then what will happen is very difficult. But so far as state government is concerned, their stand is very clear. We are saying that the Supreme Court judgment is correct and it must be implemented. And there can be no discrimination between women and men so far as the visit of temples are concerned.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much for talking to us. This is Alin Chauhan reporting for ETV Bharat.